we present to you our new product. Kode, an automatic data logging incubator controller. For those who do not want to compromise with quality. Powerful, reliable and yet extremely simple to use. It's designed keeping in mind large incubator sheds. A bright multicolor touch screen display boldly shows all the vital values at once. And with the graph mode on, running 2 hours of data is displayed as a graph. A single look at it immediately reveals any temperature fluctuations. In this mode, the duty supervisor going on an inspection round of the shed can easily decide if there was any malfunction in his absence. But why wait for the inspection round? It has wireless data networking capability by which machine data is continuously transmitted. No Wi-Fi or internet is required. A screen that can be kept at the supervisor's table collects data in real time from multiple incubators. Displays it in a table format. Each incubator's data on its own row. Any abnormal reading immediately turns red in color, making it obvious to the staff on duty. A corrective action can be taken up immediately. Tamper-proof automatic data logging. An extremely powerful feature, allowing you fix and hold manpower accountable. So, no more need to maintain dubious manual record. It keeps a 60-day tamper-proof, time-stamped record of dry and wet temperatures, heater and humidity set values, fan RPM and tray count. This can be easily viewed as a graph on the screen itself. Or you can copy it onto a pen drive for further quality control. It's a complete incubator controller in itself. Primary and secondary heater control. An alarm for over temperature. Moisture control. With its own alarm. Fan RPM display. A separate alarm output that is triggered on low speed or complete stopping of the fan. Built-in turning controller. Keep a complete track of the tray movement with tray status, count and associated timer. Password locked that protects any unauthorized access. Well, there is more to it. But to keep this video short enough for now. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please comment. And if you think this video was good, please let us know by giving us a big thumbs up by clicking the like button. For being in touch with our future videos, do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for your time.